Hey everyone, it is definitely hydrangea season here at Bednar's. We've got lots of different varieties, but I'm going to talk about three different smooth hydrangeas, three of my favorite varieties. And here we've got my favorite one right now. This is a really unique one. It's called Invincible Mini Mauvette. It's got these like ruby mauvette color blooms on them. This shrub only gets 3 by 3, so 3 feet by 3 feet, perfect for a small little size garden. We've got this second variety, which is Invincible Lace, and it's got something a little bit different. They've got these lace cap flowers on them, so pollinators absolutely are loving these florets on the flowers. So they're absolutely littered with pollinators, and this one kind of opens up a pinky mauve color similar to this one, but then it opens up to a white flower. And then our traditional one, we've got our Incredible. Oh, this one gets 4 by 4, 4 feet by 4 feet, and then we've got our Incredible. So if you've got a little bit of a wider space, this one, it gets 5 feet by 5 feet. And we've got, the reason it's called Incredible is because it's got this gorgeous size flower head on it, to where here in comparison, this wide, large, massive flower head to it. And again, this one gets 5 feet by 5 feet. Smooth hydrangeas, they're the ones that bloom on new wood. So you can cut it on down at the end of this fall season, or you can wait until spring season because it blooms on new wood. So come check out all of the hydrangea varieties that we've got here at Bednar's for this summer.